It's me, Raven, and I'm back from my other episode where I got pied in the face and I just took a shower, so that's why my hair is a little wet. But, so I'm here to prank howleen again. Revenge. And that's why I'm wearing this swimsuit. I'm gonna get her back. She thinks she can prank me without me pranking her back. She's got another thing coming. Alright. So the prank I'm going to do is the dead girl prank. And this is going to be hilarious. So I'm going to go put the camera somewhere appropriate. Alright.
Oh, you should say.
Okay, guys. So I'm going to be laying here. And howleen should be coming home any time because we live in the same house together. But she usually comes home at this time. So I'm going to get ready. And, dress myself up. Okay, so I'm ready, and she should be coming any minute. Raven, there's like this new show that my friend... Raven? Raven? Come on, man. Stop playing with me, Raven. Come on. Come on. Raven? Raven! Oh, God. No. I gotta call Dexter. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah. It's Raven. I found her home, just lying, and I think she might be dead.
What?
Yeah. Okay.
I'll be there. Actually, howleen, I can't go. I just can't go.
Are you serious? Your girlfriend's dead. Yeah, I just found her on the floor, just laying there.
I'm stuck in traffic.
Fine. I'll call the ambulance then. Raven, this better not be a freaking joke. Because if so, beat your ass. Booty. Yes. Yeah, this is the operator. I think she's dead. All right, ma'am. Just calm down, okay? You stupid! Rub your face in your own fake blood.
I can't believe you fell for that.
You know what?
You hilarious. You're hilarious. That was so much
I
fun.
hate you!
If you need me, I'm gonna be in the shower.
Well, here's the camera. If this is not funny, guys, I'm gonna freaking kill her. I'm gonna kill her. Okay? And those tears were fake. Don't think I care about her, alright? Because I don't. howleen out.